So, Canada has quietly made a move that could reshape its electric vehicle market by rolling back the 100% tariffs on Chinese-made EVs, and Tesla may be one of the first companies to benefit. Under the new trade agreement, Canada will allow up to 49,000 electric vehicles per year to be imported from China at a reduced 6.1% tariff, a number Prime Minister Mark Carney says could rise to 70,000 within 5 years. There is a catch though, because half of that quota is reserved for vehicles priced under 35,000 Canadian dollars, a segment Tesla doesn't currently serve. Still, Tesla holds a strong advantage thanks to its early preparation. In 2023, the company upgraded its Shanghai factory, its largest and most cost-efficient plant, to build a Canada-specific Model Y. And that same year, shipments from China caused Canadian auto imports to surge 460%, mostly through Vancouver. Those shipments were halted in 2024 after Ottawa imposed steep tariffs, forcing Tesla to supply Canada from its four Berlin and US factories. Now, with tariffs being eased, analysts say Tesla could restart exports from China quickly, especially since cheaper models like the Model 3 are largely built there. Tesla also has an established network of 39 stores across Canada, giving it a major head start over Chinese rivals like BYD and NIO, which don't yet sell cars directly in the country. At the same time, analysts say the pricing rules may favor Chinese brands in the entry-level EV market, offering affordable options for Canadian buyers. According to global data, the quota allows Chinese automakers to test demand in Canada, especially among the country's large Chinese-Canadian population. Canada is also exploring joint ventures with Chinese companies, while BYD already operates an electric bus assembly plant in Ontario. As the United States keeps its doors shut with 100% tariffs, Canada is taking a different path, opening its market cautiously, with Tesla likely leading the way, but not alone.